I think it's intentional. Alabasta gave us a ton of information and world building that eventually leads us to Wano. Poneglyphs. Wano has seemed to imply it'll give us info on either the Will of D or the Void vintage I like. Vikings and Cat maybe 3 people shirt CD ties and end. Toki jumping through the future from that era. Odin discovering the truth in his travels and the Kazuki clan holding the secrets to the vintage I like. Vikings and Cat maybe 3 people shirt. Tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Vintage I like. Vikings and Cat maybe 3 people shirt. Sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck, hoodie. Since the outcome was a loss, I'm glad it was off screen. Of the fight, since the outcome is a loss, we saw that Luffy made major strides, pretty much entering top tier territory, learning advanced conquerors, or if there's more to it, an application of it. But this chapter shows he still has some more vintage I like. Vikings and Cat maybe 3 people shirt. I'm very happy with this as of now. Against other product,